Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this course, I want to teach you HTML in a simple and easy method. So, in lesson 1, I want to introduce HTML. What is HTML? HTML is a standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML describes the structure of a web page. So how to run our HTML course? There is need a text editor first, like Visual Studio Code or Notepad. And after writing our HTML course, we need a web browser for running our HTML document, like Chrome, Firefox. For learning HTML, I recommend a simple text editor like Notepad or TextEdit in Mac. We believe using a simple text editor is a good way to learn HTML. So here we have a simple HTML document, and here I want to write this simple HTML document inside Notepad text editor. So first I want to open Notepad text editor. Here first we should write doc type HTML. So here we write HTML and we close HTML tag. Inside HTML tag, first we should write head tag and close it. Inside head tag, we should write title, and we should have a title like first lesson and close the title tag. Don't worry about these tags, I will teach all of them later. So here we should have body tag. Inside body we can write h2 tag, for example first lesson. Okay, and here we can have a paragraph tag like I will teach you HTML in or easy and simply. So here we should close our tag. For running this HTML document, first we should save our document. I save in desktop, and here we choose a name like index, and for saving as an HTML document we should put HTML extension. So right, I want to close and run this. Okay, here our result is shown, and it's the result of our HTML document. Basic example explanation of HTML. What is doc type HTML? Doc type defines the version of HTML5, and the HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the document. The title element specifies a title for the document, and the body element contains the visible page containing content. The head element defines a large heading, and the P element defines a paragraph. So here I listed the versions of HTML. First version of HTML created in 1991, and second version HTML 2.0 created in 1995. HTML3 4.2 version created in 1990, 7 HTML4.01 created in 1999, XHTML version created in 2000, and finally HTML5 version created in 2014. Thanks for watching my video and follow CodeBites for next lesson and coding tips.